Good morning, children. Today we will see the algebraic method of solving a pair of linear equations, and this is part 3. In first part we have done graphical method, second part we have done substitution, method of elimination by substitution, and this is method of elimination by equating coefficients. So in this method we eliminate one of the two variables. We know that there are two variables in a linear equation. So here we will try to eliminate one of the two variables to obtain an equation in one variable which can easily be solved. The name of the method itself specifies that what to do. The name of method is method of elimination by equating coefficients. See here in the previous method also it was method of elimination by substitution, and here we are doing method of elimination by equating coefficients. So in both of these two methods we are trying to eliminate the any of the two variables. In the previous method we we eliminated one of the two variables by substitution, and here we will eliminate one of the two variables, either x or y, by equating coefficients. So here, putting the value of this variable in any of the given equations, the value of the other variable can be obtained. So this is the some brief idea, and we will follow the following algorithm to solve a pair of linear equation in two variables. So step number 1 is obtain the two equations. Second, multiply the equations so as to make the coefficients of the variable to be eliminated equal. It means if we are to eliminate the variable y, then we have to try to make the coefficients of the variable y equal, so as when we are subtracting or adding as per the signs of the equations and the terms, we have to either subtract or add the two equations so as the equated part, that is when the coefficients of y are equal, they will be cancelled out and we will be left with only one variable, that is x. So it will be clear from one example, we will take it, but let's see the steps. So we have already discussed step 3, add or subtract the equation obtained in step 2 according as the terms having the same coefficients are of opposite or of same sign. If the equated coefficient are in same sign, then we subtract the two equations, and if they are in opposite sign, then we add. Step number 4, solve equation in one variable obtained in step 3.